Hi, my name is John Sanders. I'm the co-founder of Quadra, and I want to personally invite you to attend our free POD Masterclass. In this Masterclass, we're going to show you how we made over $5 million in less than 18 months selling unique POD products. And best of all, we're going to show you how to do it, even if all you have is 2 hours a day to work on this business, okay? During this Masterclass, we're going to show you how to find audiences that are ready to buy your product and that aren't saturated. That's one of the biggest problems with POD is everyone's going after these saturated audiences. We're going to show you how to find audiences and people that are hungry to buy your product. We're also going to discuss how to set up your product pages so you get high conversions. Our pages right now convert at 8%. That's unheard of. We're going to show you exactly how we do it. We're going to show you the pages and what you need to do to get these same kind of results. We're also going to show you how to set a schedule for your launches. If you want to go full-time in this business, you have to have a process. We're going to show you our in-house process for launching products and how that's helped us go full-time in doing this business. Then we're going to also go into Facebook ads. 99% of our sales come from Facebook ads, even in 2022. We're going to peel back the curtain and show you exactly how we run our ads, set up our campaigns so that you can do them as well. And then if that weren't enough, we're going to show you where you can get unique products at the best possible price so you can completely annihilate your competition. And so if that sounds interesting to you, join our free masterclass by clicking the link below.